Hello everyone, this is Bing, a hydro guy of South. Today I'm very glad here to make a presentation. Okay, let's start. And South is not only the biggest survey instrument factory in China, maybe even in the world, and also we are an expert in the high-end solution industry. From the sky to the land to the underwater, we all have competent experience. I think you already saw our new article, neutral station, videos, and instructions in the past 2 days. Now, I also introduce our South USV solution, a high-end and high-effect USV solution. Today, I will introduce by 3 parts. The first part is why we need USV solution. All means the advantage of USV for hydrography survey. The second part is the key features of South USV, and it also means why we select the South USV. I will compare with some other bands also, and I will show you some South USV perfect performance video and feel. You will feel very exciting after you see it. The third part is some applications care sharing. It will let you know more about our solution. And the first, why we need the USV? Because in some cases, there's no boat in your survey area or it's difficult to find a boat on site. Like some dams in the mountain, like in the polluted water, which may be even with the terrible smell. Also, in the shallow water, where it's not deep enough for the boat navigation, and like some reef area, it's dangerous when the screw propeller crashes the reef. But here notice, not any USV can work in the shallow water, but South, I'm sure can. And for the classical hydrographic survey, I'm very tired about bringing the heavy echo sounder and its accessories, like the metal ball, metal pole, transducer, car battery, and so on. And also we need to rent the survey boats, arrange many things for the prepared job. Even I have the experience, and the boat owner asked me to buy the gas for them first because they don't want to pay for the gas first. And this boat owner is a little bit difficult for communication. And also normally on the boat, we need at least 2 surveyors for the installation and operation. When we start working, maybe we still to face the problems like toilet on the boat. Once I remember clearly, one guy, he needs to back to the toilet. He told me 1 hour for it. And so from that time on, it's better to bring some tissues with you before you get on the boat. And also have some food on the boat issue. I think it's okay because just eat something on the boat, but a little bit strange when it happens with the toilet problem. And the safety problem, we must wear the life jacket every time when you get on the boat. But the most safety method is you can stay on shore and let the USV to finish job. Also, there's a headache problem for the surveyors. Some surveyors didn't have any hydrography survey experience at all because of the seasick and follow-up problem. And also, maybe you don't know that the seasick will happen when your body is very tired. So there is also the private reason we need USV. Like someday, some friends come and want to drink with you, but tomorrow you need to go for the marine survey if you drink. Tomorrow you will feel very tired and throw up on the boat. So maybe you will refuse your friend and then choose your job. Okay, this is a good choice. You choose your job, but maybe it's a sweet lady invite you to her birthday party before your marine survey job. I think it's very difficult for you for choose the job or the girl. And also, maybe it's an important football game, like play at the deep night. And how do you think there is a dancing party before your hydrography job? Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. All the above problems we can solve, we can fix by South USV. And with South USV solution, you no need to rent the boat, bring the heavy instruments and car batteries. You no need to install the echo sounder, tie the survey pole, arrange the label of this project. And with the South USV, all the headache things disappear. You can feel more comfortable, safety, and efficient. South USV not only improve your efficiency and also free your mind, free your body, free your time. The better life come. And with the abandoned project experience, South update the USV boats to the latest generation, the jet pump type USV. These are the USE40 and the SL20 model, you see. And today, I will take the SL20 for the presentation. And I want to let you know something more about South. This is why South knows so much about the demand of our clients. It's actually, South is also a surveyor. South has the highest survey certification in marine survey industry in China. This certification requires the company has many instruments and also requires have many project experience, requires some national projects like the Hong Kong, Zhuhai, and Macau Bridge survey project. The certification also requires many senior technical and intermediate technical surveyors. As an instrument manufacturer, South is only brand which have this certification in China. South always upgrade products via his project's experience and let your survey job become more convenient. In South USV history now, we have 3 generations. The first one is the screw propeller remote moor. And the second one is the screw propeller and the auto moor. The third one, the latest generation, is the jet pump type USV with the auto survey moor. Also with the multiple communication methods and support many sensors combined, like the multi-beam, like the ADCP, like the subordinate profiler, and like the side scanner also. As I know, now in the market, most of the USVs are the second generation. They are using the screw propeller. Let's take SL20 book combined with RTK and echo sounder for example. explain the simple working principle. And at the right side is the base station or the core station. It transmits the question data to the rover on both, and then the rover can reach the CM level accuracy. Also, the SL20, there is echo sounder SDE ATS inside. The RTK data and the echo sounder data will store it in the boat and real-time transmit to the communication station on shore. Then the survey software get the data from the communication station. There's also a remote controller. It has the highest control grade in some urgency. The controller can break other control connections. Only let itself has the control effortless. It will not happen like the accident, like the Boeing airplane. And because of South has many project experience, we can know. We release the SL20 USV. One guy can handle the whole survey system. One guy can anchor with the boats and transport to in the car boots. One guy can install all the instruments easily. We just need to let the boats finish the job. The people stay on shore and operate the boat comfortably. And let me tell you more details of SL20. All the South USV hull is made of carbon fiber material, rugged and light. The boat needs deeper draft design. It can help USV get better balance when navigating by water. Some other brands without this design, it will easily caught up the boat head, cause the instrument not vertical. The vertical attitude can get better signal or better survey accuracy. There is an independent hole for the instruments installation in the middle of the SL20. It makes us change the equipment simply and get better waterproof effects. And the key features of South USV is the jet pump propulsion. With lots of hydrography experience, South jet pump propeller, less than 15 cm draft, and full protection design, let the boat can face many underwater situations. 5 meters per second navigation speed, adjustable, auto mode 2 meters radian training. Yes, it's perfect. There is a filter in front of every jet pump propeller. See the details like the pictures. And the left picture is the SE40s, and the right one is the SL20. The filter can prevent the water planes rubbish to get into the propeller. They have very good performance in the complicated water environment. Later, you will see the performance videos. SL20 has the professional design. The boat has deeper draft design. It can help the boats has better balance when navigation. It can protect the installed equipment. You see, South consider a lot of details. And now I compare with some other brands boats. This boat is sorry, I will not to tell you what's that brand, but this boat is a little bit old hull design, not like South deeper draft boats. This boat will easily call up the boat head, cause the device installed in the boat, not vertical. If the device not vertical, at the echo signal, come back is not good, not very high accuracy. And also without the protection for device which on the bottom of the boat. This boat's color is already changed. Before it's like the picture is green. If green is similar color with the sea and water plants, not very professional. And then let's see another manufacturer boat. This is a screw propeller, you can see, and I think it at least requires 50 cm deep water for normally working. And the two metal bars is used to protect the screw. In my opinion, the two metal bars not professional. Sure, it has some effect for protecting, but itself and the screw will entangle by some water plants, some rubbish. Also, this design will need a deeper water for launch the boats. Not like south, not only around 50 cm depth, enough for the navigation. And every time I see these two metal bars, I want to tie a fish net on the bars and let it sway and fish also. I don't know why I have these ideas. It's just my personal strange idea. This is another brand's boat. Its head lies south, has the deeper boat head, but it's the screw propeller. It lays face to the problem that how to work in the shallow water plants area, reefs area, rubbish area. You can see this boat uses two metal panels to protect the screw. Anyway, this is a little bit better than the previous boats, better than the metal bar. Now let me show you the SL20 hardware parts one by one. Number one is the GPS antenna or the receiver. Number two, the connection part. Connect with the echo sorter or some other device with the RTK or the position equipments. Number three is the USB hole. Number four is other instrument like maybe the ADCP radio or like the ADCP receiver. Number five is the battery. Number six, the install hole. Number seven, USB control system. Number eight, jet pumps. Number nine, radio or the Wi-Fi antenna. Number 10, echo sorter or other equipment. 11, the camera. 12, the remote controller. The 13, navigation light. Okay, now is the South boat video time, and I will show you why I consider South boat is better than others. This is high-speed cruise video, more than 5 meters per second with the special mode. Normally, South set the limited speed as 5 meters in our factory. Why we do that? Because too fast velocity will damage the device on boats when you crash something, like the reef or touch the water bottom. I even have experience in Hong Kong, carrying survey in the beach where has some diving people. So if your USB work with the fast speed, or even with the metal pole or metal bar, is very dangerous. I'm afraid of the metal bar will kill somebody. Okay, this is the performance videos. All the videos will show the normal site environment. This you can see we can directly go to the water plants area and easily scale. And now even the boat is already touched the water bottom, but no problem. It's very perfect performance. And now the boats will U-turn again to go to the plants area again. Now you can see more details of the water plants. See, this is the whips, the water whips, so many, but our boat can directly go through it. Oh, this is again, the video will again to close the land, close the side. Hey, where's the boat? The boat is coming. A second. Now the boats come. You can see. Okay, already hit the land plants. Now, because of some plants in front of the boats, we cannot go ahead, and then we can back off the boat, and then a right turn to go out this area. And then now SL20 want to try again to another water width area. Hey, UAV, come, right side. Yeah. Already store here. A right turn, okay, it's easy to go out. And then it's another video in this water forest plan. You can see so many water plants roof is in the underwater. Our boats can easy to handle this case. How other brands screw propeller can do this? The screw propeller will die in this area. 100%, they cannot work like that. Okay, now you can see even hit something, we don't worry. We just a little bit back off, and then go to a little bit left side and go again. Okay, now hit something again, back off, and then go again. Yeah, just like that. It's a very perfect performance SL20. The generation 2 screw propeller USV cannot work in this area. And when we buy a USV, if some area we cannot work, why we buy that kind of USV? So south is your only choice. If south, no any others. Okay, now already hit something. Cannot go ahead. Okay. See, it's a very perfect video. And then we'll go to another performance videos in the sea. This is walking in a shallow water area with reefs and the rocks. Our boats will go nearby the rocks and check our performance. Now you can see some rocks is underwater. Maybe we cannot know. Now the boat is nearby the rocks and walking. We don't flay any rocks because our full protection of the jet pump propeller. Okay, nearby. Maybe someone will say it's not close, just nearby. Maybe this road you navigate not any rockets, not any reef. So I will U-turn again and go more close. Okay, the boat. Go back again. Later you will even see our USV to hit the rocks. Here's the dead plants in the water. Easily go through it, go across it. Now it's very nearby the rocks. And then the way you push, or maybe it's some operating mistake, the boat will directly go into the rocks inside. Okay, don't worry. And then a right turn can go outside. How the screw propeller, other brands USV can do like that, but our South have this perfect performance. And then I will tell you another name of our USV. But of course, this now is installed with the echo sounder. We can have the South echo sounder. We can do that. It's a beach killer. Can you see? Can directly go to hit the beach. The BEACH, beach killer. Okay, this time again, we go to check our performance more close or on the stones even. And then go outside. You can see already have some stop, some rock, some rip hit the bottom of our USV. Okay, then stride across that plan. Okay, working on the rocks, right? Okay, very good. Now go ahead. In front of that, we have a bamboo, a wooden on the top of on the surface, on the water surface, and our SL20 also can easily stride across it. You can see, okay, a bubbon. Don't worry. Just we can back off and go again. Our SL20. You can see clearly here is a wooden, a bamboo on the water. Our boats go again to stride across it, go across it. You see? Yes, very good performance. This is our SL20. Can handle many environment on water. Now the SL20 again. Yes, across the wooden again. Now the SL20 will show you 2 meters radian training. Okay, just use the LED jet pump for the power, and then ride a circle. The circle just 2 meters. And then the SL20 will hit the beach again, one time. This function will let you very easy to launch our boats in your area. Maybe you no need to to go in the deeper water to launch your boat. Like the screw propeller, you need to hang carry in the deep water and then launch your boat. But South USV with the jet pump propeller, it's very easy to launch the boat. Yeah, the SL20 will again to be the beach killer. Okay, come. Notice now our SL20 is installed with the south echo sounder. Maybe you install with others, you can operate like that. Okay, this is another video. This is the SE40. Can stride across the rope on the water. Can you see? There's two ropes on the water, and our USV is easily to stride across it. I will play again. See? Simple case, right? Okay, in this area, in this video, we can escape from the shallow water. You can see the nearby area is maybe around 20 cm depth. And now our USV already touched the bottom of the water, touched the sea bottom, and then escape from the shallow water. How the other planes with the screw propeller can do this. And this video is for walking through the rubbish. Yeah, many rubbish in front, and we can easily to go through it. Our SL20 also have the key features is the auto navigation, auto return, auto survey, high accuracies, less than 1 meter distance between the real survey line and the design line. And also our onboard software support the IMU, SVP, and SVS, and the tide data collection, support the DSF map import and export, support the post-processing. This is a small test job at the field. I will take a little bit introduction of our USV instruments. Here you see is the base station. We set up on the no pond and transmit the collection. And this is the communication base, a network bridge. In fact, it's a big and powerful Wi-Fi router, just like that. We set up the station here, and now I use the salt velocity sensor to get the salt velocity in this area, in this water. And then use our laptop, already can install the software to connect with the USV and connect with the communication station and input the coordinate system and input the salt velocity. And this video will show you our auto survey mode. You will see the auto mode survey accuracy. Now you can see the boat is in the middle of the screen. And the boat now is right turn. This design line is we already draw in before our launch the boat. And you can see now the boat is navigating close the design line. The real survey line is very close to the design line. There's a very precious and very good performance auto survey mode. Maybe some other brands, they will separate that this is design line and this is survey line, maybe a few meters difference. Even in some cases, they will miss some design lines because their auto survey mode is not so quickly adjustable. Okay, you can see now the boat is right hand to the last survey line. You can see it's just in the survey line, in the design line, close. Here is also view type to show the coordinate, the depth, and the informations. Our software also support the IMU. When the boat may be a little bit not vertical, the IMU question will process in our software. Here you see the very good balance when our USV is navigating. Normally we have some compare lines too, but this is just a test job, so we don't have any compare lines with the design lines. This is South USV working in the lake track picture. Very nice navigate routes close to the design line. South USV auto mode has the fast and high precise auto navigating algorithm. Even in marine survey, with the wave and wind disrupt, it also can navigate less than 1 meter accuracy. I saw other brands, they always miss some design lines, and you need to remote control again to survey this missing area. And this feature is real-time communication display and configuration. South USV support UHF, network bridge, 4G or 5G communication mode. And as I know, now only our South USV support 5G. And the network bridge is around 1.5 km for the communication range. And the UHF can reach 2 km. Of course, the 4G and 5G is no distance limitation when you have the signal. And the powerful and safety power supply, lithium power battery can work 4 hours in the auto mode. Also, the separate rechargeable battery. You can take out the battery for charging. You can charge the battery the whole night in the safety place without worries. Quick change battery. You can change the battery and let the SL20 continue working. And also you can have the option of the network bridge. We have the wireless communication station, like the left picture, and also have the LAN cable network bridge. And even you can set the network bridge on the top of the car. You will be a mobile communication car. You can drive your car to follow the boats. some other features. All the data is stored in the boat when surveying. Don't worry, the maximum communication rate will miss your data. All the original data can download in boat via the LAN cable. And the boat with its instruments is only 15 kg, 15 kilogram weight. One guy can hand carry. Then I will show you one guy operation video. Only one guy can handle all the system. Okay, now power on the boat, power on the naval bridge, and install the RTK. It's lower. And now set up the base and launch the boat. You see, lights. One guy can easy to launch the boat, hand carry. The higher station can reach the longer distance. Maximum can reach the 3 meters high. And open our program, create a new job, and then to configure the parameters, 2 seconds to the interval for the fixed solution. The draft, you see here, only 10 cm. Okay? And then you can decide the survey line. This is a simple operation video, so the design line is just 1 or 2 lines. Okay, select 2 points. Okay, automatically connect to create the path. And then upload the path. The path is automatically transmit to the boat. And then you need to switch to auto mode because the controller has the highest control grade. And then you can see now it's auto mode on our software. Then click start survey. The boat will automatically go to the beginning of the survey, the design lines. Okay, go there and begin to survey. You can see here the coordinate and the depth. Okay, get back the boat. Yeah, one guy. South USCV also can combine with the ADCP, the echo sounder, the water quality detector, or the side scanner, also the multi-beat echo sounder system. And now is some application share. From this case 1 is a marine-wide power generation project, underwater topography survey. This case used the SE40 model USV for the wind power generation. There's some area is the seafood far. So many loops, you can see the middle of this picture. And certainly have so many shallow water too. Maybe you already see the video before in this PPT. And this whole project is around 0.5 square km. only takes one guy 4.5 hours operation. If you rent the boat, bring the account sounder, install the RDK, it will take you 1 or 2 days for this job. Even some reef area, some shallow area, you need to get into the water, use the land RDK pole to survey it. Okay, this is the case 2. The dry pipe routing inspection project in Guangzhou. They use the camera and ADCP. This for the drayage inspection project in the past days. In the past day, they need the people diving into the pipe to check the pipe is working normally or not. And now they use the ADCP, can check the water flow velocity around the pipe lines, and to check the velocity, the water flow is normal or not. And it's more simple and more safety. And this is a case water quality monitor after the chemical exposure in Tianjin. They use the USV and the water quality sensor. In urgencies like this case, South USV can take a quick action to the site and start to the monitoring water quality around the accident position. Not any others can be so quickly action except South USV. This is very important for urgent accident like that. This is a dam topographical survey. This case just difficult to find a boat, and South USV is transport on site and easy to handle this project. Simple case. South USV always done as usual. This case is of fish ponds survey in Tianjin City. There are more than hundreds of fish ponds in this project. If you use the classical method, how do you think how slow, how many people, and how tired you can finish the job? But with South USV, one guy can handle. So efficient, you can imagine. And the last case is the lake survey in Chongqing province in China. This lake is around 8 square km. The USV solution only changed 3 base station position and spent 4 days to finish this project. After 4 convenient days, this surveyor, who is the first time to use this USV, in the picture, he already renewed his hydrography cognized. He fall in love with South USV. He said to me, okay, these are just some application today I share here. And thank you for watching my presentation. And next is the QA session. Okay. The first one is how deep South USV with echo sounder can detect. This depends on what echo sounder you combine with our USV. Normally, if you combine with the SDE ATS, it can detect around 100 meters. And maybe you can combine with another dual frequency echo sounder, you can detect deeper. Depends on the echo sounder. And number 2, can other brands RTK use in your USV? Yes, our software support the NMEA, the standard format, NMEA, to import to our software. But better, you can configure your RTK, you can output the NMEA format. Number 3, how long is the warranty? Normally our USB is 1 year warranty for the whole, and for the battery and the cable is half a year. Maybe you combine with some other sensor, depends on their sensor's warranty. Number 4, what's the maximum range of remote control working? Around 2 km for the remote controller, but for our 4G or 5G, no distance limitation, just they have the network signal. Number 5, what's the maximum speed? Normally we set 5 meters per second before in our factory, because this is this is the safety speed for the navigating. And if you need to get higher speed, you can optional, and then we can adjust to higher. Number 6, how much area can be covered in one run? Depends on your project requirement. If you can like the scale, depends on the scale. I mean, if the scale is big, okay, we can cover a big area. I can just tell you this: the automobile, our one battery can work around 4 hours. But if you need more long time, you can change the battery on site. You just additional one more battery. Okay, that's all questions here. If you have any questions, you can email to our sales dealers. Okay, that's all today. Thank you.